Hello friends, today we have a session on PDB database. PDB is a protein data bank which consists of three-dimensional structure of a protein. So just go to the Google search and type PDB database and you will get a first link, that is RCSP PDB. Just click on the first link and you will find this page. Here is a search box. If you have a literature survey with respect to the diseases and the type of proteins involved in the type of mutations, so you can simply type the interested protein name, or based on the protein name, or you can simply type the four-letter code of PDB ID. So recently there is an outcome of coronavirus disease, and several researchers are working on the what are the mutations are causing in that particular disease. So you can simply go to the COVID protein like this and get a search. So you will get a number of list regarding how many 3D structures are available in the protein data bank. Here you can see in which organisms how many structures are available. So I will just go through one of the structure and show you what its content. So I will click on this 6MOJ. It's a PDB 4-letter code, and the name of the protein is, it's a crystal structure of SARS-CoV-2 skip receptor binding to the domain bound with ACE2. So I will just click on this particular PDB ID. So you will find this page. I have opened this page. So here you can see the DOI ID, that is of that particular protein, the classification of the protein, in which organism the protein has been taken, expressions, is there any mutation in that protein, and the method, by which method they have crystallized this structure. It's method of X-ray diffraction study, and the resolution is very important for the further docking study. The protein should be between 2 to 3 angstrom unit, and further you can see the literature available for this particular type of protein. You can see the PubMed ID, and even the abstract is available for getting what are the information with respect to this protein. Okay, as you can see, a novel and highly pathogenic coronavirus SARS-CoV. So you can go to this particular literature and get more information with respect to how many chains are there and what type of interactions are there in the particular protein. So here you can see the protein name and the chains. Only one chain is there, that is A chain, and the sequence length is 603, and the gene name, it is ACE2. You can just click on that particular gene name and you will go to the page of gene data bank, and this is a UniProt link. So I will just not go through the particular search. I will just explain what it contain in PDB database. Here you can see this sequence. One second, yeah. Here you can see the particular ligand interaction with that protein. So this is the ligand which has been interacting with the protein. By simply clicking on the ligand interaction, you can see what type of interactions you are getting. Yeah, this is the page. Yes. So you can see here the interaction is there with the protein. Here is certain available. This is the sequence of the interaction. You can see here is the representation of the protein, that is cartoon or not, ball and stick model. water is present or not, you can see. You can simply go to the interaction study, or else this is certain overview of getting that particular protein, and you can download even the faster sequence of the protein, and you can download the PDB format. PDB format is required for the docking study by using with respect to various tools available online or commercial tool of docking, and you can use this PDB file and use for further docking study. So this is the overall view of the particular PDB database, um, how to download, how to search, and how to get the particular PDB code, and what type of interactions are available. So this is the overall view with respect to RCSB PDB, which is very important for the further docking study work. So if you like my video, just click on my like button, or you can subscribe to my channel for getting more interesting videos with respect to bioinformatics tools and a database. So just click on my video and like my button. Thank you.